Hello, I'm Zara X, and I'm going to be sharing with you two tools that you can use to create a digital meal plan for yourself or if you want to sell it. So, yeah, let's get into it. So, we're going to get right into this. I want to show you the benefits of ChatGPT, and actually, you can also use Copilot and get the same result. So, we're going to put in here if you're wondering what you can do to earn extra income, or maybe what you can do with AI to use it for everyday life. I'm going to put in here what's a good side hustle for a grandma. And of course, it lists the side hustles that grandmothers can use. Sell digital products, teach online. You have a craft. If you like crocheting, you can make that and sell it on Etsy or Facebook Market. Then it says, would you like me to narrow it down to low tech ideas? Put yes. Let's see what chat tells us. Okay, handmade crafts, quilts, jewelry, right? I imagine that you could put in here how to make jewelry. And it'll tell you how to make jewelry, what you need to go pick up from a craft store to make jewelry. Digital income hustlers, which is basically what we're going to be showing you on this channel, building your digital confidence to use to create and sell Canva templates, journals, planners, or anything on Canva. And I'm going to show you an example here in a minute. Short ebooks, affirmation templates. The easiest to start are the ones that make the most money long term. Let's say both and see what happens. What's the easiest to start? Really? Baked goods, digital prints, or planners. Okay, coaching consultants. So, ChatGPT can be used to be resourceful to give you ideas on creating a side hustle or how to create something. One other thing I wanted to show you is how to ask it to create something for you. Like, create me a weekly meal plan with a grocery list. So it'll give you all the days. Then it will also give you the grocery list right down at the bottom of it. Yeah, so they give you a grocery list, right, for the week. And what you can do is take this list because I'm thinking at the bottom of it, it's going to ask you to make it low sodium, low carb, or keep it a balance. Yeah, you can be specific, like, yeah, make it low sodium, low carb. So you can be specific. I actually created a diabetic meal plan for my husband using ChatGPT, and I'm working on creating AI tool that he can use to record his blood pressure and his sugar level. So yeah, look at that. Printable planner with check boxes. Let's say yes. He's asking you questions. And he's gonna create you a PDF file with check boxes. And what we're gonna do with that file is I'm going to show you, let's see what the file looks like. I'm going to open the file. Okay, it gives you all of them separate days. And you can actually copy and paste all of this information over to Canva. What I like about Canva is most of what you want to use on Canva is free. But if you want some extensive graphics or more graphics to make your products or services more exciting, you're going to have to invest in the paid plan, which is $15 a month. So what I'm going to do is say weekly, create a design, put up here weekly meal plan. So it's a planner, weekly planner. And then it gives you the templates for the weekly planners, right? So you just go down and choose which one you want. Let's see here. What looks very appealing? Oh, this one looks good. Let's try this one. This one looks really good, actually. Take that off of there. What's going on? I need to see it. Okay. And what we're going to do, we're going to increase this size a little bit. Of course, you can change this colors. You can go right up here and just make it appealing to you, right? Let's say change the whole thing. So Canva is going to change everything to the color you want it, which I just told it to do. Oh, it just changed the. Okay, let's change that and then change that to, no, we don't want it black. Let's see, change it to, yeah, let's make it blue and say change it all. Right. So this is cute. Anyway, and then you take all of that information from the PDF file and you post it in there. What's going on? Control C is copy and Control V is paste. And you're going to paste it inside of here. Actually, what you need to do is get a text box from over here and put it over there. And then you paste it in there. And we're going to make the text box smaller, right? And then you kind of drag the box up till Monday. And you do that with each one of them every week. And it tells you what to, if you need this to be bigger, change the font, right? Just change the font over here to something like Antoine. Actually, it'll be smaller. Let's change all of the fonts. Yep. And then you have it in a little box right here. It's like so cool, right? We may have to make this box bigger. Anyway, you get the point. You're going to, where that came from. You're going to create a meal planner. And you know what? This can become a whole monthly thing for somebody. You can actually do this and sell it. Let me change this color to white because the reason why is it is kind of, or that color. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That was for the meal planner. That's what you do. And if you want to download this, you just click the share button over here in this corner and you download it, or you can actually print it and Canva will send you a printout of it. I don't want to download it. And if you actually want to sell this, like a 4-week monthly plan, you can actually download it. And what you're going to do is click anyone with the link and you attach that link to your payment link. And you can actually sell that and people will click the payment, go through the payment process. It'll either get sent to their email or they can automatically download it and it'll send them right here to Canva.
Join the movement. Subscribe for tips, tools, and transformation at Digital Confidence.